Have you ever opened Telegram and realized your chat list is completely bogged down by random bots you added 6 months ago? Maybe you used a file converter once, tested out a crypto tracker, or played some mini game, and now those bots are just sitting there, taking up space, sending random notifications, or cluttering your search history. Can you actually permanently delete bots in Telegram, or do they just linger forever? Let's break down how to wipe them out completely.
All right, let's clear up a common point of confusion right away. Telegram doesn't have a giant delete bot from Earth button for regular users, because bots are independent cloud applications created by developers. However, you can completely sever ties with a bot, so it disappears from your life forever. Here's what you do. First, open up the chat with the bot you want to get rid of. Tap on the bot's profile picture or name at the top to open its profile info page. If you just want it to start messaging you, you can hit Block Bot. But if you want to banish it entirely from your chat list, look for the three little dots menu icon in the top right corner. Tap that and select Delete Chat or Clear History and Block. When the pop-up asks what you want to do, make sure you check the box that says Delete for all users or Block Bot. Once you hit confirm, the chat thread vanishes, its message history is wiped from your view, and the bot loses all permission to ever ping you again. Now, what if you actually created a bot in the past using BotFather, the official bot creation tool, and you want to delete that bot permanently from Telegram's servers so nobody else can ever use it? That's a little different. Open up your chat with @BotFather on Telegram. Type the command /mybots and send it. BotFather will send you a list of all the bots you've ever built. Tap on the specific bot you want to destroy, go to its settings, and select Delete Bot. BotFather will ask you to confirm one last time. Once you type yes, Telegram completely purges the bot token, deletes the application, and removes it from the platform for good. And there you go. Your chat list is clean and your old projects are wiped out. If this quick guide saved your interface from clutter, hit that like button, subscribe for more straightforward tech tips, and drop a comment below letting me know what other Telegram cleanup tricks you want to see. See ya!